Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook Tandoori Chicken Wings. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
We have 10 large pieces of chicken wings. We'll marinate them and bake them in the oven. Now we'll begin making our tandoori marinade. This is 1 cup of tomato puree, half a cup of yogurt, quarter cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon dried mint. I'll start mixing this. I'll add a little oil in this. The oil I put in was about a tablespoon. This is our mix. We are going to dip our chicken and start baking. I'll put some oil in the pan. Rub it throughout. And start marinating my chicken. The marinade has turned up pretty good. It's good color and it tastes good too. And we'll fill up this pan and then we'll start cooking. So here it goes. This is a big wing, so it's filling up the pan. Dip the chicken nicely in the marinade. This is the last piece. Put it in the center. This is our marinated chicken ready for baking. I have preheated my oven for 350 degrees and I'm going to put this in to bake for 45 minutes. We'll come back in 45 minutes and see how they are. It's 45 minutes now and I'm going to open the oven. I shut the oven. This is how the chicken looks like after baking for 45 minutes. To finish off the chicken, we'll give it a quick fry. This is the balance of the oil. Put it in there and put it on high heat. The oil is now hot and I'll start frying the chicken wings. Don't have to fry for a long time, just in and out. I turn it to medium heat now and continue frying. I've taken a small pan, so we'll do 3 at a time. Each batch is about a minute. So take it out slowly. This is now the last batch. This frying gives a good finish to the chicken. We'll take this sauce and finish it. All the good tasty stuff is here. We scrape off all the spices and everything nicely. And continue heating. We had some leftover sauce. I'm going to mix it with the other stuff. Put the heat on high again and keep stirring till all the sauce is cooked. This sauce will be used to top up the chicken wings and give it extra taste. If you like your chicken wings extra saucy, this will give you the satisfaction. And you can now see a lot of the water is coming out, and will be done in about a minute or so, because there is not too much water in this. Mostly it's sauce, and it's going to be nice and thick sauce. See the thickness? We just let it go for 1 more minute, and that will be done. I scraped out all the spices from below, and now it's all mixed up in this sauce. So that's tasty. This looks pretty good. I'm going to shut it now. Just leave it for a while and then put it in a bowl.
This is our finished chicken wings ready to eat. And if you like your wings extra saucy, we've got extra tandoori sauce for you to dip it in. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay, it's time for the taste test. Pops, let's give it a go.
Okay. Bismillah. I put some extra sauce on it, that's why.
Saucy wings.
But it's cooked proper.
Very good. It has like a tangy tandoori flavor to it. And afterwards you get a little bit of heat too from that Kashmiri chili. I can feel a little bit of aftertaste of heat.
Yeah.
And a very good blend of spices. Very good.
I feel like keep on eating. Looks like we'll finish it very fast.
Yeah, these are not gonna last very long. So definitely a very good meal. These are cooked really well, very tasty, and very addictive, I would say. So make sure you give this a try at home, and we'll see you guys again next time.